Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to handle duplicates using Python's library called pandas. Let's import pandas as pd. Let's run it. Let's read our data set. Our data set is the famous Titanic data set. It's a CSV file. It consists of the names and passengers that were on the ship. So titanic.csv. So let's store this in a variable called df so that anytime I want to see the data, I will just write df. So let's see the first 5 rows of the data set using df.head. So here is the first 5 rows of the data set. It consists of the passengers ID, those that survive, the class they were in, is it first class, second class, or third class, their names, their age, and the sibling. So let's check the data set whether it has duplicate. We are going to write df.duplicated duplicated. So let's run it and see. You can see everything is false. It's showing that we don't have duplicate. But let's check again. df dot duplicated. Let's write dot any. See, the same false. It means we don't have duplicate. But let's intentionally put duplicate into the data set. So let's write pd dot concat. So we're going to create a tuple. So the tuple we're going to write the first element, that's the first data frame, and the same data frame, but this one we're going to add the first 3 rows of the data frame. So we're going to write the 3. So we're going to call this one df duplicate. So we are going to store it in this variable called duplicate. So let's run df duplicate and see. So you can see, let's check whether we have added duplicate. You can see towards the end, after 890, there are 3 rows that has been added. These rows are duplicate. They are the same as these first 3 rows. So, but let's check whether the data has duplicate. So we're going to write df duplicate dot duplicated. So let's see. Let's check. You can see the last 3 rows are true. That means the data set has duplicate. So let's still check using the any df duplicate dot duplicated duplicated dot any, so that if there's any it will show us true. You can see it shows true. It means that we have duplicate. So let's then drop the duplicate. So we're going to write df dot duplicate dot drop duplicate. So this one we're going to call it df no duplicate. So we're going to call this one no duplicate. So let's run it. Let's write df no duplicate. Let's run it. Let's see towards the end of the data frame to see. You can see there is no duplicate, but still let's check df no duplicate dot duplicated. Let's check dot any. You can see it's showing false. It means we don't have duplicate. So that's how to handle duplicates using Python's library pandas. Thank you.